Okay, so Cody and I are talking about going to Norway, which we are for Christmas. I don't know. I just want to go home, meet my nieces and nephew, and have a good time for Christmas. I also want to go when it's cheaper to go. So I don't know. We kept arguing or discussing what to do because Cody's got a job, actually 2 jobs. The challenges I've been through, where I know every corner, but he wants to go for maximum 2 weeks. I just want to stay there for a while, and I just want him to stay there with me at least for Christmas and New Year's. And so I booked our tickets on December 11th, which he thought was too early. And then he came for on when he wants to go back to the boat, which he doesn't want to leave it for more than 2 weeks, which I get. And it's going to be stressful the day after New Year's. You really want to have a great New Year's with friends at home in Norway with him. I can still change his ticket, but he's not wanting to spend that much time away. I'll pack my bags and leave before the sun rises to me. You obviously want to get as much work in as you can. And he's going to sail down to the Bahamas, where I'm going to fly from Norway to meet him, and he wants to do that as soon as possible so we don't have to spend a lot of time apart, which I also agree with. It's just hard. We're trying to make ends meet to keep it, and we went the other route and got a more expensive boat because of our work that we're doing in an expensive area where people expect a certain standard, and we're renting an Airbnb and we're doing sales, and we also wanted room to host family and friends whenever they wanted to visit. Let me go home this year. So but it all comes down to trying to pay it off. Shouldn't be a problem. It's just this first winter. I don't know what my future holds, or who I'll choose to love me. I can't tell you where it makes this trip to Norway a little bit hard to look forward to. Not hard to look forward to, but it's everything comes with it. It's what can we do when we get there? We're not really fighting, we're just discussing so much, and everything has to do with money, and it's hard. Christmas gifts, everything worries me. I just have to get my thoughts out while he's working. Well, I'm working. Anyway, that was a lot. I'm so grateful, but I'm also I can't wait for things to be a little easier. Well, it's the game of trying to make everything count, as all of the things all the groceries that we have, I'm going to try to make last for as long as possible so we don't have to go again for a long time and not spend any money whatsoever. Wish me luck. It's time to make pizza things. Made dough. This is the first test of the oven and baking, and I don't know how it's gonna go, but we'll see.
I may be falling, but I am alive. It may be over, but I touch the sky. There ain't no reason to cry alone. You're not better off when you are on your own. I tried to catch you, but you were on your way. It's not so easy to change.
plan was to turn them around like halfway to get them sort of like fried in the bottom too, but I couldn't do it because they're too soft. But I am trying one. Hopefully that's okay. The second batch are in the oven. Yeah, success for sure.
Oh, it was nice.
What have you been doing today?
Knocked out stuffing box, or shaft out of the stuffing box. It was a little rusty. Put a new stuffing box together for him. Installed that. The generator service today. Tried to figure out why there was a low frequency alarm, whatever it's called.
You've been working hard, but not as hard as me. How's your lunch?
One back. That's okay.
Oh, wow.
It's okay.
I have done laundry today. I've worked. I still have a lot of work. I've baked for you for lunch. And it's okay.
It's okay.
I'll never do anything for you ever again.
They're great.
Kittens sound like less
They're
genuine.
not good. They're great. Oh yeah. This is the way you need to pump out oil.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive.
Well, this is good. So I just took an oil sample on our sail drive, and it's kind of mixed in right now, but so that's not what you want to see. Then you keep on translating. It's gonna be a couple Benjamin Franklins are gonna be missing from the old stockpile. That's okay. Well, not really. We don't really have much of a stockpile, but we'll be alright once we get through Christmas. It's definitely water in there though. So down here, before we left Beaufort, I noticed that I was getting a really weird smell. But now that we've been sitting here, it seems like there's a lot more fluid coming in. I sailed all the way down here, so I wasn't too worried about my sail drive running. I knew I was gonna have to haul it out. So yeah, you can see in there, it's all milky. It could be that rubber seal on the drain hole. It could be our other seals. We're gonna replace them either way. I'm gonna go get these sent off to the lab. So you want to own a boat. What does boat stand for? Bring on another 1,000.
It's supposed to be about 40 knots today.
I think so. It depends on if it pushes in. One model showed it did.
But it's in a good direction, so it's southwesterly, which means we're not getting too hot.
Dude, I didn't realize. I gotta work on this tan. Flip-flops are not needed. I know, I put that line on there. It's fine.
Kelpie's holding up good. No, don't undo it. She ain't going anywhere. I think we're good. We got 2 cords. There's one off the bow too. Oh, let's go back. Well,
Alright.
another lovely day in Charleston.
Ready to check our Kelpie because everything's fine. That's sprayed down completely.
That's why you have your foul weather gear on. I'm rocking the swim trunks.
Back to warm and good.
Yeah, and dry. This is actually a better drive.
Well,
Ours is perfect. We're not even wearing out our fenders or anything.
I know, we're fixing it up. This is actually pretty nice.
Looks like we had a bird meeting on the boat. Look at all this. I'm gonna lather it. I'm gonna lather it just like this. Oh man. That's so good.
How happy are you now?
So good. This
So-
is why the South is the best right here. Oh my goodness. I made biscuits with apple butter.
Southern boys home.
Oh my goodness.